friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss 3 good books on spirituality, and these 3 good books are very small. They are not like 400 pages or 500 pages, because usually the books of spirituality are not less than 400 pages. So these are small books. You can find time to read it every day, and you can finish one page in one day, and then you can it will help you to guide your path. So the very first book I am going to talk about, the name of the book is Simple Meditation. It is not a book like other book. There are several quotes written here about meditation, which will help you and inspire you to do meditation every day. In our daily life we face problems, we face tough situation, but while thinking about that tough situation, we miss doing our meditation practice. So reading these quotes from this book, which will inspire you to do meditation every day. So you can get it through Amazon. The name is Simple Meditation. Then the second book I would like to talk about is called Unposted Letters. It is a book by Mahatria, and millions of copies are sold till date. It's a very beautiful book. There are small topics given here. There are small quotes are given in this book, which will help you to guide your path. Then the third book I would like to talk about is Celebrating Silence by Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. It is also a beautiful book. There are several topics given, like how to face the confusion, how to face the relationship crisis, how to change your habits, how to come out of illusion. So these kind of topics are given in this book. So you can get it through Amazon. All these 3 books are available on Amazon. So you can get it, or you can buy it, or you can purchase from any shop. But I think I like this book, so I think you will also like this book, because these are small and these are tiny. You can read it one page at one day, and you can finish with it, and it will really help you to guide your path. Thank you, my dear friends, and I will see you in my next video.